I wonder when that one was changed last. It looks like maybe 7 years ago. Damn. She said she just changed the filter. So I shut the gas off. So I wonder when that one was changed last. It looks like maybe 7 years ago. Damn. Fur coat. Just changed the filter, she said. When did she change the filter? Maybe 2-3 weeks ago. The way these filters are looking, looks like they're longer than that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and get a new filter. Damn. So she told me that she just changed the filter. Yeah, I call bullshit on that one. That filter wasn't just changed. The way those other filters are looking, looks like they've been very neglected. That's what a clean filter looks like. You can see light through it. What's up, puppy? What you doing, puppy dog? Huh?
Yeah, it's up.
I remove all this stuff. Oh my God. Yeah. So, let me take these covers off. I'm gonna bend this down. All right, so let me. Bend this back a little bit so when you slide the filter out, it doesn't grab. guarantee that's going to be in there about a year later. Okay, my vacuum's broke. I need to get another one, but definitely needs to be cleaned up. But I'm going to clean this flame sensor up. Just a minute. It's pretty dirty. I'm going to clean this up. I don't think that this is what's going on, but pretty bad. Trip the limit when I shut it off. Oh, there it is. Like I said, my vacuum's broke, otherwise I'd clean this up. I got to get a new Milwaukee vacuum, so if you got any value of this content, smash that thumbs up button and change your filter every 30 days.